Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by stopping the most common Windows backup paths. Open Settings and go to Update and Security, then Backup. Turn off file history immediately so copies stop. Next, disconnect or eject any external backup drive to prevent automatic writes. Once done, open OneDrive settings and pause syncing or unlink this PC. This prevents cloud backups. Make sure to save any unsaved work first. Disabling services may interrupt in-progress saves, so give active apps time to finish before proceeding. You now stop backups on Mac OS and within apps. Open System Settings and select Time Machine, switch automatic backups off and eject backup disks to prevent new snapshots. Then open iCloud settings and disable desktop and document syncing, and pause or quit Dropbox and Google Drive so they stop uploading. Also, inspect app preferences for autosave and scheduled export tasks. Disable or reschedule them. Once these steps run, confirm background agents are not active via Activity Monitor or the app's menu icons. You finish by confirming everything is truly off. Reboot the laptop so settings and service changes take effect, then check status. Task Scheduler on Windows or Launchtool/cron on Mac OS for lingering jobs. Make sure backup drives are still disconnected and cloud apps show paused or unlinked. If backups keep running, inspect startup items and scheduled tasks. Disable the offending entry and reboot again. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily uninstall the cloud client, then reinstall only after verifying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.